High blood pressure and dwindling eyesight aside, celebrated author Ruskin Bond, who turns 90 on Sunday, shows little signs of aging as the famed raconteur, with his childlike enthusiasm intact, talks about life, old age, writing, food, and everything in between at his quaint white ivy cottage in Uttarakhand's cantonment town of Landor. His inimitable wit, often self deprecating, makes light of everything, including his celebrity status of being widely recognized as India's favorite children's author.
After all, 99% of writers are forgotten. I'm happy if my family remembers me and a few readers still get some pleasure out of it.
Having written his debut novel The Room on the Roof in 1956, Bond has authored over 500 short stories, essays, and novellas, along with more than 50 books for children. This was when Bond didn't aspire to become a writer, at least initially. His first two ambitions, and those he failed miserably at, were to become an actor or a tap dancer.
I wanted to be an actor, but that never happened. I wanted to be a tap dancer. I never had the figure for it. Then I realized I could write. I kept winning essay prizes in school and things like that. And I was a bookworm. You know, I was reading always at least 2 books a week. Yes, from the school library or otherwise. And at home. So I grew up on books. And then I thought, well, this is the best thing to do. There's nothing better than a book, so why not write a few?
Born in 1934 in Kasauli, Bond grew up in Jamnagar, Shimla, New Delhi, and Dehradun. He made Landor his home in 1963. He has received numerous awards and honors, including the Sahitya Akademi Award for English Writing in 1992, the Padma Shri in 1999, and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Having spent all his life in India, barring a few years abroad, Bond, who has always identified himself as an Indian and nothing else, admits that even now, some people do take him for a foreigner in the country.
So they wanted to charge me extra because they said I was a foreigner. They charge extra from foreigners for entering Konark. So I said, I'm not a foreigner. I'm an Indian. But they didn't accept it. And to avoid argument or controversy, I paid the extra. And behind me came a Sardarji. He had a British passport, but they let him in as an Indian without having to pay the extra money. He wasn't charged extra because he didn't look like a foreigner.
Bond's latest book, Hold On To Your Dreams, published by Penguin Random House India, is released on his birthday. It offers a unique glimpse into Bond's personal space and everyday life, memories of his boyhood, his friends, lost love, moments of joy, anguish, triumphs, and tragedies.